Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you our nighttime routine. So at this point, it is about 6 o'clock or like 5:45, 6-ish, and we've already had dinner. I've already cleaned out the kitchen, and it's just basically family time or playtime. Michael, my husband Michael, and my son Michael Jr., they literally build a track in our living room every single day. They bring out the tracks and they build a track together every day, and every day it's something different. Like sometimes it's huge and ginormous, sometimes it's small, but they always have so much fun just building tracks and playing with trains. So that's what they do for about probably like a good 30 to 45 minutes. Basically every single day. They love it, and either I'm playing with them or I'm on the side doing something else, but we're all basically just spending time together. I love Michael's hair. It's so curly, so soft, and I love it. I always try playing with it, and I think he hates me playing with it, but he lets me every once in a while. I just think it's adorable and it's so cute, and I know he probably needs a haircut soon, but I'm just not ready to let that baby hair grow.
He might be getting a black eye. Look.
What happened, buddy?
Look.
Yep.
Right there. How'd you get hurt, Michael? What happened?
Got hurt with Daddy.
You got hurt with Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay though?
Yeah.
Did you cry? No, you didn't cry. Because you're a tough boy. Let me see. It looks kind of dark in his inner corner. You see it?
Yep. Oh my gosh. He headbutted me so
my
hard.
God. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Mas?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
That's what I get for trying to kiss each other.
Why are you trying to kiss him for?
So Michael Jr. got hurt, and he kind of had like a black eye for the next couple of days. It wasn't too bad. It was just a little darker than usual. So around 6:30 or 6:40-ish, I go into the bathroom to take a shower. I take out all of my stuff from underneath my sink, and I just prepare everything for when I get out of the shower. Everything is ready for me. And while I'm in the bathroom, I start cleaning up the bathroom because I swear I'm always cleaning something up or picking something off the floor. So I just clean it up a little bit, just make it look a little bit better. And while I'm taking a shower, the boys are actually in the living room and in the bedroom, in Michael's bedroom, cleaning up his toys. Michael Jr. is actually really good with helping us clean up his toys. We do sing the cleanup song, I swear. I think almost every kid knows the cleanup song, and either they love it or they hate it. But Michael really enjoys it, and he just helps clean up, put his toys away and his books away, and then it's nice and clean. And then we move on to the living room, and they start picking everything up. And it's like I said, they're always playing with tracks, so there's always tons of tracks everywhere. So we just go ahead and put those away. And again, Michael Jr. is such a big helper. He loves cleaning up. Well, I don't know if he loves it, but he definitely helps. And then after they clean up, Michael Jr. goes to the refrigerator and gets his milk. He drinks about 8 ounces of whole milk every night before bedtime. And just to wind him down, we do let him watch a little bit of TV before bath time. He watches one of the movies he enjoys right now. There's currently a couple of movies in rotation. There's Coco, Smurfs, The Incredibles, I think, and Pokemon. He really likes Pokemon. So at this point, I'm out of the shower, and he puts his empty sippy cup in the sink. And then I go ahead and get him a little snack just in case he didn't have a full dinner or something. I give him a snack. He doesn't get one every single day, but sometimes he does. By the time you guys are watching this video, I've already given birth, but I wanted to keep this clip in there because you can totally see the baby moving inside, and I just think it's such a cool shot, so I just left it in there for, I don't know, maybe you'll enjoy it. So by this point, Michael Sr. has taken a shower as well, and he comes out to get Michael Jr., and Michael just runs away from him every single time, so he has to chase him around the house. And then we go into the bathroom, turn on the tub for him, and fill it up with nice warm water for him, and in goes Michael Jr. to play and, you know, take a bath. And while the boys are inside the bathroom, I go into Michael Jr.'s bedroom and just get all of his clothes, his lotion ready for when he gets out of the bath. And then I go into the living room and just pick up anything that's left out that doesn't belong in the living room. All the toys are picked up, but you know, there's always something. There's shoes or blankets or, you know, a backpack or a sweater that doesn't belong there. So I go ahead and pick everything up and just put it where it belongs. We like to have a glass of water every single morning, so I leave that out just so it's prepared for us. If you guys can't tell, I like to have things prepared beforehand. I don't know, it's just the way I am. It's just, you know, it makes everything easier for me, and I feel less stressed out when I know that everything is prepared and I just have to get up and go. So I go ahead and do that. I get the waters prepared, and then I go into the bathroom to finish up cleaning up the bathroom for the night. All I do is just clean up Michael's toilet seat. If you guys don't know, I am potty training, or he basically is potty trained, so I go ahead and just clean and disinfect his potty seat for the next day. And by this point, he's already done with his bath, so we go into his bedroom and I dry him up, put his lotion on and his PJs on, and get him ready for nighttime. We have been using a Halo sleep sack for Michael ever since he was basically born, I think. We love these sleep sacks. They're amazing. We buy them on Amazon now just because he's a little bit older and they don't have his size at Target. But these are nice because they actually have legs on them so he can walk around with them, and it's not like a regular like a potato sack or anything like that. It has little legs, so it's for his age, and it's big and it's comfortable and it's nice and warm for him on cold nights.
One day, Bear found something in the forest. Bear thought it was the most special thing he had ever seen. He gently carried the toy bunny home.
This bunny seems lost. Seems sad.
Thought Bear. He wanted to help find its home. With flyers stacked high, Bear set off.
After we read the bedtime story, Michael likes to take the book and just go through the pages, and he'll repeat to us what's happening in every page. He has such a good memory and is such a good listener. He will repeat every single thing that happens in every page, and then every time he looks at a new page, he notices something different that he didn't notice the first time. Like he'll point out, oh, butterfly or bird or sun or whatever. But it's just so amazing seeing how he's growing up.
Mommy, Daddy,
Okay, come on. Alright. Ready to sing the song?
sunshine. You make us happy when skies are gray.
Mama loves you.
Go, mommy, daddy.
Mommy and daddy are right here.
Go, mommy.
Say that, mommy.
Good
I
night,
got
baby.
you.
Mama loves you.
Mommy.
I love you. Que sueñes con los angelitos. Mommy will see you tomorrow, okay?
So we have sang Michael his bedtime song and gave him kisses, said goodnight, and put him off to bed. And now on this particular day, usually on Sunday nights, Michael and I like to sit together and just watch a show together. Right now we're watching The Punisher and it's so good. And then I normally have a snack because I swear being pregnant makes me hungry all of the time. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some kind of way for you. If you did enjoy it, I'd hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.